Hey all, here's a quick video on the front Cybertruck bug guard. This was able to be installed very easily, and after 1 day of use, you can see how easily it just traps bugs and all sorts of debris from entering the compressor, and thus making it more dirty and less efficient. And as you can see, you can simply just wash all this right off of here rather than using some high pressure nozzle and potentially damaging the AC compressor. And yeah, I'll show you how quickly it comes off. So here's before. Again, this is not a high pressure nozzle. And let's just drive it around to let it dry. And as you can see, all of the dirt and grime has disappeared. That's just from the landscapers right now. But it's very simple and easy to clean, and a very simple install as well. So essentially it comes packed nicely with some foam and the instructions to install it. Has all the information you need. Essentially, the purpose of this product is to protect the inside of your vent from insects and allowing the condenser and all the radiators to get hit by that. Rather than that, the mesh here will protect it. So it comes in two parts right here, as you can see. There's the left side and the right side. Once you take the stickers off, you can see that there is some double-sided tape, but the clips are pretty strong, so you really don't have to use that. So to put this on, what you want to make sure is that these clips going downwards go to the bottom, and the clips sticking straight out go straight into the bumper. So here's this side right here. It's very simple. You can just line it up with the tow hook and just push it in like so. You'll hear a click, and it's secured on there. They give you 3M backing if you want to put that on, but it's not really necessary. And as you can see, it's held on firmly. Now let's put the other side on. Again, make sure the clips facing downwards are down and the ones facing straight out are at the top. Align it with the tow hook and just push it in. Once you hear the clicks, you know you're good to go. And this thing isn't going anywhere. That's pretty much it. It allows the bumper to look flush and protect your AC condenser and the radiators from all the bug guts, so that you can just quickly wipe it off here instead of all the way there for a quick cleaning. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know, and use my code in the description to save yourself some money. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.